डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन युनिव्हर्सिटी.
Namaskar dear students, myself Zeel Sagar Shah, working as an assistant professor in School of Computer Science in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. We are in the lecture series of object oriented programming using C++, in which we are in the current unit 10, that is operator overloading. So far we have seen unary operator and the operator keyword and the operator return type, how we will use unary operator with void return type and with operator return type. So now in today's lecture we are going to study about binary operator overloading. So let's see in detail. So our today's agenda is binary operator overloading, strings and operator overloading. So what is binary operator overloading? We have seen unary operator. Unary operator we use when we want to do manipulation with a single object. But if I want to do manipulation with two objects, then what I will do? I will simply use binary operator overloading. So over here also we can use binary operator overloading using two functionalities. First with member function and second with friend function. So let's see. Binary operators are overloaded by using member functions and friend function. The difference is in the number of arguments used by the function. In the case of binary operator overloading, when the function is a member function, then the number of arguments used by operator member function is only 1. Why? Because one is itself and second is an operand. And when the function we used for declaring binary operator overloading using friend function, then we use 2 arguments. Let's see today's example first and then we will study about binary operator overloading. So first what I have done over here is I have include using namespace std with a class binary. In that I have two data members x and y. I have taken constructor, that is initialize constructor, default constructor, that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So at first the x and y value is 0 and the get value function, getting the over here I am simply getting the value of x from the user, and void display value. Over here I am simply giving the resultant value, that is what is the current value of x and current value of y over here. And I have defined over here plus operator, and over here binary is my return type, operator and plus, and the parameter is also binary. So over here I am using member function. So what I will do, I will declare binary is my class name and the binary is my return type, scope resolution operator, then operator plus with a binary e2 operand. over here binary operator overloading for plus operator define. So what I have done is I have taken one binary object, that is temp. I am declaring binary with a temp variable, and in temp.x what I am doing, I am simply x plus e2, the operand we have passed, that is e2 dot x, and temp dot y I will do the same case with y also, and returning temp value. Why? Because we are returning our binary class return type, as we have seen in unary operator overloading. So in int main I have simply made three objects, e1, e2 and e3. First I will get the value from the user, that is e1 dot get value and e2 dot get value, and in e3 I am simply, what I am doing is I am doing the addition of two objects, that is e1 plus e2, and I am simply displaying the value of e3. So when I try to run this program in my compiler, what I will get is enter the value for x. First I have entering the value of x, that is 10, and enter the value for y, that is 20. And when I do the enter value of object e2, enter value of x and enter value of y, and in e3 I am doing the summation of two objects, that is e1 dot x plus e2 dot x. So over here temp dot x is replaced by e1 dot x, and the same with y. Now I hope you get the idea about binary operator overloading. Now let's see the strings with operator overloading. First what I have done is I am including string library to use the string manipulations. In the class string I have defined one data member, that is str, with a string data type, and in default constructor what I am, in a parameterized constructor what I am doing is string and passing the string is equal to blank, and after that I am storing the value of s in str. Overloading the plus operator, that is string operator plus and constant. String is my object. This over here what I have done is, like we have used copy constructor, I am referencing my string over here, string object over here. So string %, s2, and what I am returning is return string, that is str plus s2 dot str. So over here I am concatenating two strings using plus operator. Usually we use strcat to do the concatenation, but if I want to do with my own operator, then what I will do str plus s2 dot str. So over here s2, what is s2? S2 is an object of string class, and displaying function, that is void display cout str. Simple. And in int main, what I have done is I have make two objects, s1 and s2. In s1 I have passed hello, and in s2 I have passed world, and using s3 I am just concatenating s1 plus s2, that is I am overloading my plus operator over here, that is s3 dot display. What I will get as my output is hello world. So this is how we do manipulation with operator overloading. So in this lecture you have seen the binary operator overloading, string with operator overloading. So when we use our own operators with strings, then how we manipulate our strings. In the next lecture we are going to study about type conversion and the friend function using unary operators and binary operators, so that you will get a difference between how we used binary functions, binary operators with member functions, and binary operators with friend functions, as well as unary operators. Thank you for watching the video.
स्वाध्यायः